So let's talk about token generation. Again, we have three functions also that produces token, over in different formats. Let's see the example. For this case, I will create a secret run. We can use the same file, secret. In this case, token bytes and token X, token URL safe. Let's separate the different outputs, execute it again. But in this case, the first one, token bytes, simply returns a random byte string containing n bytes, in this case 16. The other token X returns a token in hexadecimal format, and token URL safe returns a token that only contains characters suitable for being included in the URL. Let's play again. Let's create a new file called secretgen.py. A new file, and let's import secrets. Also from a string. From a string, import digits, also letters, and define generate PWD function which receive a length with the default value of 8. Right, let's say shows equal digits plus letters. Let's return empty string dot join secret dot choice in charts for C in range of length. Okay. Right below, let's define another function called generate secure PWD. You can pass length with a default value of 16, upper 3 digits 3, if length is lower. Can press lower than upper, plus digits plus 1. Raise value error. Nice tries. Nice try. In the other case, while true, pwd equal to generate pwd length if any zip dot is lower for C in pwd pwd and some C dot u upper is upper for C in pwd greater or equal or upper, and sum of C is digit for C in pwd greater than digits, return pwd. Something wrong here, it's in here parentheses and removed here. Now let's execute it. Print generate password, no, secure password with the 4 values. On the other case I would say length 3 upper 1 and digits 1. Let's change it here equal, and now let's execute it. Secret gen .py is secret like this. Now you've got your password. Your password in the first case with 16 digits, 3 uppers or more, and 3 digits or more. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 uppers or more. In the other case, the second execution, you've got a password with 3 digits, 3 characters, and 1 upper and 1 digit. In summary, we are generating password here randomly from a string, thanks to this method and oscillator, and we are evaluating this every single password that we are generating here. We are evaluating if it has the quantity of lower cases, upper cases, and it must be higher than the specified there in the parameters, and also the quantity of digits, and also must be equal or higher than the digit parameters specified right here.